Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna unbox Seekit by Panasonic. So for those who don't know what Seekit is, it is basically a battery powered device which when attached to your belongings like wallet or handbag etc. it keeps it safe. Safe in the sense like suppose you kept your wallet somewhere and you forgot, or you cannot recall where did the last time you kept your handbag. So now you pull out your phone and ring a bell on Seekit app and yeah, you got your valuable belongings back in a matter of seconds. Also, your smartphone notifies you whenever this device gets out of range of your smartphone, which is probably about 100 feet. Disclaimer, this device works within a range of 100 feet only, and practically it is more than enough, I guess. And not just that, it has 18 months of battery life, so no charging needed at all. It is packed with a ton of more features which we'll explore in a bit. So enough of talking, let's begin. So this was the unboxing of Seekit. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.